Hi, I'm Jess. Once your new made-to-measure blinds have arrived, it's the exciting part. Time to get them fitted and see just how fantastic they look in your home. Fitting your new Aluminium Venetian Blind is simple and easy with Blinds Direct. When you receive your order, you will find the following in the box: your new blind, a cord cleat safety device, and all the appropriate fixings and brackets. You'll also need a drill, a crosshead screwdriver, and a pencil. Today, we're going to be fixing our blind inside the recess of this window. To get started, we take one of our two fixing brackets and hold it where we want to fit our blind, making sure that this little swing arm is facing away from the window as such. One thing we're going to bear in mind when doing this is to make sure that the brackets are far enough away from the window to ensure the blind will not hit any handles or hinges when the blind is fitted and extended. Now we're happy with how our bracket is placed, we can mark its position. These brackets can be fixed either through the top, which is known as a top fixing, or through the side, which is face fixing. We usually recommend top fixing as it offers a little more stability, so we mark through the appropriate holes with a pencil, repeating this process on both sides. Taking our drill with the appropriate drill bit, we can now drill through our markings. For this part, you may want to use a pair of safety goggles to make sure you're extra safe. With our holes made, we can slot in rule plugs if necessary. Using the longest screws provided, we can now secure the brackets in place. With our brackets now safely secured, we can slide our blind into place. We do this by swinging out this arm as far as it will go and clipping the blind over the bracket. Now we just ease the front lip of the headrail into place and push the swing arms back until it locks and firmly holds the blind in place. Already our blind is starting to look beautiful. All we need to do now is make sure our blind is fully child safe. To do that, we use this cord cleat safety device. We mark out where we want the device to go, making sure it's in line with our control cord and at a height of at least 1.5 meters from the floor. Then just drill and attach in place. Whenever using the blind, we can now wrap the cord around the cleat in a figure 8 pattern, and this will keep it safe for any small children. As you can see, we've now got our new Aluminium Venetian Blind fitted and looking beautiful, and it was just that easy. If you need any further advice or guidance, our knowledgeable team of interior design experts and customer services at Blinds Direct are always happy to help.